right here.
Okay.
And one right here.
Got it.
For the
Okay.
bottom chamber, and they both.
That's where I couldn't see in the picture.
You
Okay.
kind of look up in there. You
Okay.
can kind of see them a little bit.
And you built this in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Wow. You did a good job. Nice. Looks good. Thank you for showing me, man. I like to see everything. So. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High. Look a little closer. Oh, I see the ports now.
Yeah.
They're like a
They're
3
kinda hard to see.
3-inch PVC?
4-inch.
4-inch PVC.
4 inches, yep.
Wow. Hey, how you doing? What's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Andrew. I got 4 Power Acoustic Mofo 12s on a Tarim Space 15K, wired at half ohm.
Nice.
I got Def Bonds, Arnold 6.5s in the door, Machete tweeters on JPM, and I got a 64 amp hour Midway lithium.
Nice. What's that? That's pretty cool. That's your... Oh, okay.
So mids, highs, that's the bass knob, and then I've got PA speakers outside.
Okay.
And that just allows me to, control mids and highs independently.
Yes,
rather than
sir.
having to go back to the DSP and, adjust.
Got it. Is this like a 4th order or is it ported?
6th order.
Oh, 6th. Okay.
28 for the rear tuning and 54 for the front.
Oh, wow. Do you have any pictures on your phone of how it looks? That's a really odd question.
I do have a picture actually somewhere. Give me a second.
You're good, man. This is very cool. Pretty impressive to see you fit 4 of them subs in here and a 6th. That's unique. Nice. And it's probably louder, I'm gonna guess, with the seats down.
It is, yeah.
What's the amp wire to ohm wise?
Half ohm.
Half ohm. Okay. How are the subs handling the power?
The amp is turned down.
It is okay.
You'll probably smell them a little bit because
Okay.
they get pretty warm, but
Yes, sir. Okay.
I don't know how well that'll be able to show up.
Yeah,
on
that's
there.
perfect. Perfect. So,
This is to be able to get the subs in because I don't have enough clearance in between
Okay.
that back part and the
got it. And where's the
Top of the
corner's the port? The 6th port?
port's actually right there is what you see right there facing into the cabin.
So there is
This-
okay.
I can pop the trunk for you.
Yeah,
too.
man. Yeah, that would be awesome. Just I'm trying to see everything about. So it's a sealed box on the bottom.
It's ported. It is a 6th order.
So there's a back port.
There is a back.
Oh, okay, okay.
I mean, there's not much back here. It's not too bad.
All right. There it is.
There's a 4-inch port like right here,
Okay.
and one right here.
Got it.
For the
Okay.
bottom chamber.
Yeah, I would love to hear it, man. All right. Nice. Where's your battery bank and what is it?
64 amp hours of headway. It's on either side of the enclosure, so it's 2 different banks.
Okay.
You can't really see it.
Yes, sir.
It's built in.
Got it. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Nice. Sorry for all the questions. I like to know. It's the first time I've seen
Oh,
this.
and 350 amp alternator too.
Okay.
under the hood.
Okay.
I mean, I can't play too low.
Yeah, no, it's too low. What, mid-20s?
Like 28.
28, okay.
It's not crazy on the lows.
Yeah. Okay. That's an older Pioneer.
It is. Not a lot of people have them.
Nice.
I follow you.
You're welcome.
So,
Oh, okay.
cool to have you in here.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you showing me. I like to see everything and pretty impressive to see. What are these subs rated at? I think 1200 or something like that? 1500 watts RMS. Okay. And have you ever clamped how much power's on it?
No, I just
Never?
do it for fun.
Okay, awesome. All good, man.
Riding with that chopper, just dope money, got my ass, living just like a Dodger. Snap chops down, and my daddy pulling up in the caddy, make it baby daddy look like cockers. Puffing on the fatty floor, something out of Cali with an eyes thicker than Miss Parker.
discount code Jacob Vile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High. Sure. Yeah, man.
Who's that creeping through my window? Before you come outside, I got the info. Took it to the east on from the end zone. No, I love to smoke, you love to lick more. Wanna hit the joint, then what you call for? All that out your mouth shit, that ain't called for. Coming up and tell this dark opposite. She got it coming hard. She with me till the park. That shit, I might put the sergeant. Keep on seeing that ass, you just might get a warrant. Yeah, if she got, she get a pass and tell you talk. Better best is like Janet. Outside, don't panic. Switch gotta change.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man.
Thank you. I follow you.
You're welcome.
So,
Oh, okay.
cool to have you in here.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you showing me. I like to see everything, and pretty impressive to see. What are these subs rated at? I think 1,200 or something like that? 1,500 watts RMS. Okay. And have you ever clamped how much power's on it?
I just
Never?
do it for fun.
Okay, awesome. All good, man. Thank you for watching. Good to see you again. Your name?
Andrew.
Andrew. All right, Andrew. Jacob Vile. You have a good day. You too, man.